Welcome to the final episode of this series, where we've been making fun crafts with the Curious Bear and Twinkl Kids TV. We hope you've enjoyed getting crafty with us. And if you want to see more, please like this video and check out the description below. Now it's over to the Curious Bear to show you his fossil making kit, with which you can create your own unique imprints and patterns. It's time to open up your kit, see what's inside, and get making some fossils. First, let's grab our clay and begin kneading. Doing this before you start modelling makes the clay easier and softer to shape. Step 2. Using the roller pin provided, flatten out your clay until it's about 1 centimetre thick. Step 3. Now, cut circles out of your clay using the disc cutters. Once you have your circles, you can begin making your patterns in the clay. You can use the rod, shells, or your fingers to create your imprints. Wow, your designs are looking so realistic. Remember, if you want to try something different, you can always re-roll your clay to start again. And that's pretty much it. For the final touch, use the rod to poke in a hole through each of your fossils. Only do this step if you want to hang up your creations. As we are happy with our final designs, we're going to wait 1 to 2 days for our fossils to dry out naturally. That's it! You can decorate further, but we are going to hang ours up by threading the twine through the hole. And there you have it! The Curious Bear and I want to thank you so much for joining us to try this fossil making kit on Twinkl Kids TV. If you want to see more from the Curious Bear, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the description below to get your own Curious Bear fossil making kit. And come back soon to see what else we're up to on Twinkl Kids TV.